G'day guys and girls. So today we are going to be fixing the liner on our Milwaukee hard hat that has come loose. And you guys might already have this sitting around the house. Spray adhesive, doesn't have to be this brand, could be 3M, could be any other brand of spray adhesive. The one thing that you want to make sure is that it's good for felt, which is this actual liner part right here, and the next one is foam. Foam obviously being what the backing material is. The reason why you want to check this out is actually most of these glues, you can see with the flammable logo on there and the skull and crossbones and the explosive, that it is propelled by like an oil or some kind of flammable base, and that can actually melt the foam or the felt itself. Won't get into too much of the process of why they use oils or oil-based to do that. Basically it evaporates and that's how it cures. That's the quick, simple answer. It's also used to propel it out. Anyways, so what we've done is we've masked off everything that we don't want, covered up. You can take yourself just a piece of scrap cardboard. We're going to peel this back, and you're not going to want to oversaturate this. You don't want it really to bleed through. And what we're going to do is we're going to spray this very light, and we're actually going to let it kind of tack up a little bit. You don't want to do it when it's super wet. You don't want to do it when it's dry either. But we're just going to let it tack up here. Make sure you give this a good shake. These things are notorious for getting all clogged up and everything, so after use, take some Varsol, mineral spirits, whatever, kind of clean it off a little bit. Okay. Like I said, real light. And that's going to do it. That's really all you need. So we're going to let this tack up, and we'll see you in a couple minutes. Okay guys and girls, we're back. We let it tack up for about a minute. You can kind of play around with it. When it goes on, initially it's really kind of wet, is the best way to describe it. And each product's a little bit different, so you just have to kind of work it out. But when it first goes on, it's kind of wet. You let it sit for about a minute, and it's kind of tacky, almost getting dry. That's the point to stick everything down. So as you can see, everything's stuck down. And we're going to see how this goes. So I'll give you a little bit of an update in maybe a couple weeks and see how it goes. If not, we'll maybe go back to Milwaukee and we'll get them to replace this liner. So if you found the video informative, thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs down. Tell me why down in the comments. Sorry for the cat in the background. I think he just wants to be in the video. Icky. Nope. Hey. Here we go. An appearance by Ichabod himself. Anyways,